This 1952 Mercedes-Benz 300B Adenauer convertible wears a quality older restoration, runs and drives well. This is the carbureted model. It's got very presentable white paint with black leather interior and white piping. Soft tops in good condition. Interior is beautiful, although the wood could use some attention in a few areas. It's showing its age, mainly on the sides of the doors. The dash is in good condition. All the body panels and door fit is nice and snug. Really an amazing car. At the time when these came out, these were the most exclusive, expensive, and luxurious cars that Germany had to offer. Really an exciting opportunity.